So actually this coin is pumping right now, and I know it's actually a risk that I took. I jumped in when it's about 105%, I think. So the strategy that I'm using right now is for a pumping coin. Is that right? So I've actually gotten like 100% profit since I joined, because as you can see from my screen, it is 210%. So the thing is, as the market goes, I tend to increase my stop limit so that to minimize my loss and increase my profit eventually. So from the last one, you notice I set my stop limit at 19,500 Satoshi or thereabouts. So now I've increased it to 21,000 Satoshi. So if the price should ever get to 21,000 Satoshi, I'll sell as 20,999 Satoshi. Is all right. Right now the price is at 22,000. It's between let's say 22,000 Satoshi by average. All right. So instead of losing all, you can just lose some. Okay, but let your wins be more than your loss. That is just the strategy. So as it keeps on pumping, or probably to get to $4 or probably get to 25,000 Satoshi. If you also notice, looking at the candlestick, looking at the charts, 15 minutes time frame, notice that the coin actually pumped up to 100,000 Satoshi and it dropped down to what? 7,222 Satoshi. All right, so it's trying to go back and forth, and that is the market. All right, so what strategy works for you? Drop it in the comment section below. You can like, or if you have any question of any sort, this is just crypto for beginners. If you are starting off in crypto, then this video will go a long way in helping you. See you on the next one. Get it, got it, good, both sides.